out that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures I replay. Sit right next to you.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is in collaboration with UNiceHair. You know, I love me some UNiceHair. I do a lot of reviews for them. I love their wigs, okay? They have some really good quality wigs, texture, lace, everything is top notch. I did get a good amount of free gifts. I got some wig caps. I got some adhesive to put on the side of your lace, a headband, a edge comb, and also a satin bag that I use to store my wigs. This is their 13x4 pre-everything body wig. This is an HD lace wig. It is upgraded. It has pre-plucked in the front. It has pre-curled. It's ready to go. It comes with the adhesives already on it. It also comes with a scalp-like cap underneath the lace in the front. You have the drawstring in the back and the elastic band, as well as you have some hooks in there, so your wig is definitely secured. This wig is a glueless wig, which I love. This HD lace in the front is upgraded with a natural hairline. Like, this product is so bomb, guys. I'm gonna use this wig in this video, and I'm not gonna do anything much besides cut the extra lace off. That's all I'm going to do. As you're gonna see, the lace is phenomenal. The way how they did the hairline is just so good, and I love that all the curls are already in. I love me some body wave. When I just started getting into hair, body wave was my girl. A good body wave with a bust down the middle always eats. I didn't even bother curling it or doing anything, because the way how the hair comes curled, the body wig, the way how it comes, it's ready to go. You don't need to do anything. I love the curls that came in it. And this is the hairline, guys. It's so amazing. The lace is so HD. It looks so natural. You can see where I'm cutting the lace, and do you see how well that blends? There's no glue on this wig at all. The adhesives on the side, all I did was take the little strips off and stick them to the side of my hair. The only thing that I should have done, guys, was wipe the makeup from the area where it's going to use the adhesive. It still turned out pretty nice, but if I had taken the makeup off, it would have just been clear and it wouldn't have like that residue on the tapes, but it still worked out pretty well. This is what it's looking like. This hair is completely glueless. The only adhesive that's on there is the little sticky things on the ear tabs, and I don't know what those are called, but that secures the end of the wig right where the ear tabs are, because those are always the tricky areas when you have a glueless on. But look at how great that hairline looks. There's nothing under there. That's just the hair on its own. I didn't pluck, I didn't do anything at all, and it just looks really good. I was blown away with the quality of this wig, the naturalness of it. I didn't put any makeup on the lace, guys. I didn't do anything. This is how it comes. And in my opinion, it looked as if they hot combed the hair before it was in the package. Don't quote me on that, but that's how it looked to me. It was so flat and just ready to go. All I did was use my hot comb just so it's a little bit more pressed down. Used it on the part. I didn't even go in between the hair. There was no need to do that because the hair was already so well done. I didn't have to do nothing. This was such an easy wig. I was ready and good to go in a couple minutes. I went in and I unraveled the curls. If you want to, you could always go in and put some layers. I didn't put any layers. I wore it as is. It is 24 inches and I love the length of it. I thought it looks really well. It's so full. It's super pretty. Adding layers would have given you like, you know, like more of a choppy body look, but I love how it came. So if you can't cut hair or do anything like that, this is exactly the style that you're gonna get, and I think it looks awesome. You could always switch the part as well. There's space on there that you can switch your parting. I'm glad that I didn't have to put makeup on the part. That's the natural part, how the hair comes. And I just feel like she's giving y'all, I don't have nothing bad to say about this hair. As you can see just now when I was putting the wax stick on, it's completely glueless. There is no glue. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. This is an awesome wig. I do recommend this wig. Like, I would buy this wig. This wig is awesome. Look at how good this looks. I didn't do nothing. I'm ditching the salon and I'm getting the salon look at home without doing too much. If you guys like this hair, then definitely check the description box below. All the links will be there. This hair is the truth, honey. The truth. And we have to sit very long. We have to do nothing. And it looks real good. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep supporting your girl. A huge shout outs to UNice for sponsoring us. All you're going to see, guys, is just me displaying this wig. It's like butter. It's so pretty. And it doesn't take a lot of work and no effort. No effort. And we look like we was at the salon 4 hours.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you.
Guys, this was me with the hair a few days later. It still looks so good. I wanted to show you that you could have a updo, and I also did a half up, half down. What I love is that there is an adjustable band in the back, like an elastic band that you pull, which I'm going to show you, that makes this wig fit with every head size possible. So I did do like a messy updo, my kitchen area in the back. I feel like I need to like shave some of my hair in the back, but yeah. I was trying to tuck it away, but the hair does fit really well with that nice drawstring that they have in the back. And I just pull it and tuck it in, and it just looks really good. And I went ahead to do a messy updo and also a half up, half down. This is their ByeByeNots wig. Like, this wig is so amazing, guys. I have nothing bad to say about it. The lace looks immaculate. There is no glue. We still just have that little sticky tape thing that I put on the sides, nothing else. And the hair looks amazing quality. The hairline, we don't have nothing, like it just looks really, really good, okay? Really, really good. I have nothing bad to say. Definitely check out the links down in the description box so you can purchase this hair.
Trouble in your mind. Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. But I don't get it. You say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me
Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.